Imagine waking up to news alerts, explosions near a major airport, uh, claims flying around about who controls the airspace, and then,
Yeah.
then that really chilling whisper, potential radiation leaks
Yeah.
from nuclear sites.
Yeah.
That's the kind of unsettling stuff dominating headlines right now from the Iran-Israel conflict. And, well, it really demands their attention. This is the deep dive, and today we're trying to cut through some of that noise, get straight to what matters for you.
It's moving so fast. And what's really striking, I think, is how the whole nature of warfare itself seems to be shifting right under our feet. It's bringing these new, deeply unsettling risks, things we haven't really had to think about on this scale before.
Absolutely. So for this deep dive, we're going to unpack the critical developments. Yeah. We'll focus on three sort of core pillars. First, the really alarming part, targeting nuclear facilities. What does that even mean?
Right.
Then we'll look at this radical shift, civilian areas suddenly becoming battlegrounds unexpectedly.
Mm.
And finally, we need to navigate the media side, the complex, often totally contradictory stories that shape how we understand all this.
And our insights today, just so you know, they're drawn from, well, a whole stack of sources we've been looking at. There's an important YouTube transcript talking about nuclear radiation warnings, official statements from international agencies, direct claims coming from both Iran and Israel.
Yeah.
Our mission really is to help you sift through it all. The claims, the counterclaims, try to grasp the immediate dangers, what it means for international law, and maybe the bigger picture for the future of conflict.
Okay, let's dive right in then. First angle, the nuclear shadow, these attacks on facilities, the global warnings. You probably remember those first reports about Israeli attacks.
NATO specifically.
Exactly. Targeting the NATO's nuclear facilities in Iran. And that just sent this massive shockwave through the international community, and for very good reason.
Well, yeah. What's profoundly concerning is that the International Atomic Energy Agency, the IAEA, they've actually confirmed damage.
They have.
Yes, damage to the nuclear enrichment centers at Natanz. And they've expressed grave concern, serious worry about the potential for radioactive and chemical mixtures getting into the environment because of the attack.
Wow.
And the IAEA is stressing, if that happens, it's incredibly dangerous for the local population. It could essentially be seen as a kind of, well, a nuclear attack.
That's a really critical distinction, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because it's not just the bang.
Yeah.
It's the horrifying possibility of this slow motion disaster.
Yeah.
Invisible poisons contaminating water, air, potentially for generations. It just extends the battlefield way beyond the immediate fight, turning whole regions into like no-go zones. It makes you wonder, are we weaponizing time itself here?
That's a chilling way to put it. But yeah, the IAEA has warned again and again, don't attack nuclear facilities under any circumstance.